If comfort's what's been holding you back from longer Ryker rides, then we've got exactly what you need. We're proud to feature the SE Performance Ergonomic Handlebars, a premium upgrade that delivers the highest level of comfort for your Can-Am Ryker. These bars pull the controls 3 inches closer to you, giving you that relaxed, natural riding posture that melts away shoulder, arm, and upper back tension. Each set is handcrafted right here in the USA with precision fit and finish. They're built by riders who know exactly what long-distance comfort should feel like, and they deliver it every single time you twist the throttle. Now follow along as we walk you through the installation process.
Before you begin, ensure your Ryker is parked on level ground, your ignition is off, and your parking brake is engaged. Starting on the right-hand side of the bike, use a 3mm Allen wrench to remove the screws that hold your handguards in place. Then remove them from the bike. Use a T30 Torx wrench to remove the screw from your mirror. Then twist and pull to remove it. Repeat these steps to remove the handguard and mirror on the left-hand side. Use a T25 Torx to remove the screws from the right-hand side control housing. Once removed, gently separate the two halves and slide the throttle sleeve off the handlebar tube. Remove the left side hand grip. Using some soapy water and an Allen wrench can aid in this process. Then remove the 2 screws holding the left-hand side housing together with a T25 Torx wrench. Separate and carefully rest the wired half on the bike. Then release the wire looms from the clips on both sides. Loosen and remove the 4 handlebar mounting screws and top clamps with a 5mm Allen wrench. Once removed, carefully slide out your stock handlebars and set them aside. Locate the rearward-facing hole on your handlebars. This will be the right-hand throttle side. Slide the handlebars through the throttle housing and center them. Add some removable thread lock to the 4 handlebar mounting screws. Reinstall the top clamps with screws finger-tight to start. Then tighten them down the rest of the way to the manufacturer's recommended torque spec. Slide the throttle tube into the housing until it clicks into place. Reassemble the housing halves, aligning the guide pin into the hole. Reinstall the 3 screws, making sure not to over-tighten. Once installed, twist your throttle to ensure it spins freely. On the left-hand side, assemble the control housing halves, aligning the guide pin into the hole on the new handlebars, and reinstall the 2 screws. You can use hand sanitizer or hairspray as lubricant before sliding your grip onto the handlebar end. Now you can reinstall your handguards and mirrors onto both sides of the bike. Insert your wire looms into the clips and lock them in place. Lastly, make sure you turn your new handlebars from end to end to ensure there's no binding of any wires.
Once it's installed, the difference hits you instantly. Better posture, smoother control, and a ride that just feels right. If you're ready to give your Ryker the comfort upgrade it deserves, grab the SE Performance Ergonomic Handlebars right now at SlingMods.com or click the link below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged into everything on 3 wheels. We'll see you out on the road. Thanks for watching.